Dharma, Dan, Divine Wisdom. Basant Panchami 2026. When the soul begins to learn. Welcome to Just 5. Pause for a moment and feel this episode not in the ears but in the heart. On January 23rd, 2026, Basant Panchami arrives, not merely as a festival on the calendar, but as Hinduism's gentle reminder that life, like learnings, never stops. Picture winter loosening its grip, the cold that numbed the hands begin to melt, fields turn yellow with quiet hope, birds return with forgotten songs, and somewhere deep within your tired soul whispers, maybe I can begin again. This is Basant Panchami. This is Ma Saraswati. Not only the goddess of books and Venus, but the mother who teaches us how to think, how to speak, and how to live. Just 5 एक क्षण ठहरिए और इस पर्व को कानों से नहीं हृदय से सुनिए। 23 जनवरी 2026 को बसंत पंचमी आती है। केवल पर्व नहीं है, यह स्मरण है कि जीवन और विद्या दोनों निरंतर प्रवाह है। सर्दी की जकड़न ढीली पड़ती है, पीले खेत आशा जगाते हैं, पक्षी लौटते हैं और भीतर से आवाज आती है, शायद मैं फिर से शुरुआत कर सकता हूँ। यही बसंत पंचमी है, यही माँ सरस्वती है जो केवल पढ़ाती नहीं, जीना सिखाती है। Why Ma Saraswati was needed? When Brahma created the universe, everything existed, yet something essential was missing. Creation had form but no harmony. Sound existed but no meaning. Knowledge was scattered but wisdom was absent. Then Ma Saraswati emerged, bringing Vani that heals, Vidya that steadies, and Vivek that guides. She does not belong only to temples. She sits beside the student scared of exams, the teachers burdened by responsibility, the artist doubting their talent, the farmer waiting for rain, the administrator weighed down by decisions, the parent trying to guide a confused child. Because in Delhi life, wisdom is not luxury. It is survival with dignity. सृष्टि थी पर संतुलन नहीं, ध्वनि थी पर अर्थ नहीं, ज्ञान था पर विवेक नहीं। माँ सरस्वती आई, वाणी दी जो चंगा करे, विद्या दी जो संभाले, विवेक दिया जो मार्ग दिखाए। वह मंदिरों तक सीमित नहीं, वह विद्यार्थी, शिक्षक, किसान, अधिकारी, माता पिता सबके जीवन में साथ चलती हैं। Learning beyond books for students, Basant Panchami carries a deep lesson. Exams teach memory, but Ma Saraswati teaches clarity. Marks measure answers, but wisdom builds character. She reminds students that failure is not defeat, it is feedback. That comparison steals peace, but self-discipline creates confidence. When a student studies sincerely, respects teachers, controls anger, and speaks truth, that is Saraswati Puja in daily life. परीक्षा स्मृति परखती है, माँ सरस्वती चरित्र गढ़ती हैं, असफलता अंत नहीं सीख है, तुलना शांति छीनती है, अनुशासन आत्मविश्वास देता है। Wisdom at work and home. This festival is not Asian poetry, it is daily practice. In office, when deadlines suffocate the mind, Ma Saraswati brings focus. In administration, when power tempts ego, she whispers fairness. In families, when words turns sharp, she teaches silence with understanding. In routine jobs, when creativity dies, she rekindles purpose. She teaches us think before speaking, decide before reacting, and learn before judging. That is wisdom in action. कार्यालयों की भागदौड़ में एकाग्रत, प्रशासन में न्याय, परिवार में संयम और दिनचर्या में अर्थ, यही माँ सरस्वती का जीवंत स्वरूप है। Education of the heart. Which dan to give on Basant Panchami? On Basant Panchami, dan is not measured by quantity but by intention and relevance. Now I move that which kind of dan is important during the sacred day. It's called Vidya Dan, the highest dan. Give anything that spreads learning. Books, notebooks, pen, pencil to students in need. School bags or uniform if possible. Sharing notes, teaching a junior, mentoring a child. When knowledge is shared, Saraswati Ma stays in that home. Food given with humility, nourished with body and mind. Cooked yellow rice, khichdi, sweet rice, bundi laddu, halwa, kheer, or fruits. We can offer to students, teachers, helpers, cards, or needy people. A hungry mind cannot learn. अन्नदान से विद्या टिकती है, पीला भोजन बसंत का आशीर्वाद है। वस्त्रदान में हम we can दान yellow cloth, shawl, dupatta, warm clothes for the needy if weather demands. Dignity is also a form of education. वस्त्रदान में सम्मान मिलता है और सम्मान में आत्मबल है। Touching feet of your guru, teacher with gratitude, offering book, fruits or simple sweets, a sincere thank you note or respectful words.